In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add HTML code to your website using the GoDaddy website builder. This might seem daunting initially, but I'll guide you through the whole process in a simple and easy-to-understand manner. Together, we'll begin by accessing your GoDaddy website builder. To do this, navigate to your GoDaddy product page on your preferred web browser. Once you're on the product page, continue by scrolling down. You'll encounter a section called Websites plus Marketing. Make sure to expand this. You can typically do this by clicking on the plus icon next to it or double-tapping it as per your device interface. After the section expands, you should see a Manage option located next to your website. Click on this to access your GoDaddy website builder. Once you're inside the builder, the next step involves selecting the desired page and location on your website where you wish to add the custom HTML. Navigate to the specific page on your site where you want to introduce the HTML code. Now, pinpoint the exact position on the page where you plan on adding the code. The precision of positioning really counts here as it defines how the element rendered by the HTML code will appear on your site. Next, we'll look at how to add the HTML section to your desired location. On your website page, look for an option that says Add Section. Clicking on this will present you with different sections that you can add. Search for the one labeled HTML and select the Add option next to it. By doing this, you've successfully added an HTML section to your web page. Now it's time to insert your custom HTML code. You'll notice a custom code field within the HTML section that you've just added. This field is where you will paste or manually type in your custom HTML code. Be careful while pasting or writing the code. Any misplaced syntax could lead to faulty results. Once you have entered your code, it's time to preview your changes and ensure everything looks as you intended. To do this, use the Preview option. It allows you to see how the HTML code renders on your site before you publish the changes live. This is your opportunity to spot and correct any anomalies or errors. Finally, once you are completely satisfied with how your new HTML code modifies your site, hit the Publish button to make your changes live. By clicking this, you would have successfully added HTML code to your GoDaddy website. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding HTML code to your GoDaddy website builder. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Happy coding!